What is up, guys? Make a little short video. Try to start doing more YouTube videos, but yeah, let's tear apart this dash that we pulled out of the 30 and see what's salvageable and what's not, and then you know, go from there. Let's get into it. Ugh. Some of this stuff, I think, I don't know what the hell that is. Is that a light? What the hell is that? No idea. There's only one of them. Right. I think that's all half-inch stuff. Or not. You know, it'd be really cool to use some of this stuff. Put that right there. The key is frozen in there. You can turn it, but it don't come out. See if I can maybe manipulate it. Ah, sweet. This is clearly aftermarket. Doesn't look like they had to drill it out, so that's good. Nobody's drilled through this this dash at all. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get this thing out of there. Let's try and get the speedometer off of here real quick. That thing's kind of in the way. I don't even know if that's like you'd be able to reuse that thing. Funky light switch. Oh, it's free. Let's check this out real quick. It's pretty cool. Got your oh, sorry, here's your speedo. That thing moves like a top. That thing's pretty cool. It's got a knob on the bottom of it. I don't know if that's a trip reset or to dial it in, but I have no idea. It's got a weird little spring on it. But what is that? Oil pressure, your amps, your water temp, your fuel gauge. The fuel tank I'm going to try and reuse. It's pretty cool, and it's not that bad. I think I can clean it and reuse it. I think it'd be fine. But I want to use this bezel again. So I think I'm going to take all these out, and I have like a whole cabinet full of different gauges. So I'm going to take these out and see if I can find something that'll fit in there nice. It's got a lot of weird little things on it. Man, that thing's cool. I don't know if we can repurpose that. It only goes up to 80, but you can kind of, oops, wrong camera. See that thing move sideways like that? That's super cool. Guess I could put a drill on it and see if it works. This stuff has seen a better days, if you will. I'm gonna try and clean up this weird little light switch, headlight switch. I mean, I'm just gonna cut this stuff off of here And see, it has a light that was behind all the gauges. I don't know what that, because none of these have holes in them to illuminate. There's no lights in any of them, so I don't know what that was for. The headlight switch thing is crazy. A little built-in fuse in it. See that? Oil pressure gauge, that's pretty rad. All right, let me throw all this. See what, I don't know what that's for. Seems like some, I don't know, maybe was that like an oil pressure, or maybe that was the windshield wipers. It's pretty crazy. So we got the speedo, funky light switch, headlight switch, gas gauge. Everything moves. Let's see if I can put an amp meter on that. Want some water temp and amps. Light switch for that. Oil pressure. Weird funky valve thing. This thing's kooky. It's trippy. I'll be able to reuse that if I need to. I don't know what that's for. There's the bezel, or that holds all the gauges. Hopefully I can clean that up. Even though it goes behind everything, should be still cool to have cleaned up, looking good, even though nobody will see it. My trusty tiny broom. So you can see it has some pitting here, like the water was just running right down this sucker right here. I should be able to clean that up. So I'll probably, if I get bored, maybe after Christmas, sand that down, see if I can get this thing all nice and painted, like at least in primer. I'm still not sure what color we're going to paint the car yet. Yeah, I think that should all work out, even if it does some little body work as far as a little thin coat of mud. Should be okay. Looks cool though. I like it. I love the dash. See if we can get this windshield wiper arm out of here. Holy sheezers. $47 nails in it. Oh, God, Lord. There is 47 nails in it. Jeez Louise, that thing was gross. Let's see if we can get this off of here. I have no idea if that's going to happen. I think we might go with the Lucinol. Let's bring it over here real quick. Put it on this thing. Where's my Dahmers? All right, got that out, so we can clean on this too. I don't know about you guys, but I like to do a lot of this stuff because I have a normal job. I would say a normal job, but I get off at 6. I come home, I hang out with my wife and the kids, eat some dinner, come out here, fart around with this stuff. And a lot of the stuff that I can't do, let's say on my only day off is Sundays. So I come out here and I try to do a whole video or a whole thing to do on Sunday, get a lot of stuff done. But if I can't, I like to have some of this stuff that I can tinker on and deal with during the week that doesn't take a lot of time. I can get, you know, stuff cleaned up and smoothed out and ready for later on that I know we will need later on. Like the dash, this valance piece that goes across the front. That'll be cool to weld up these holes, you know, get that stuff. I have the visor over there also, and that's kind of cleaned up a little bit, but yeah, a lot of the stuff I like to clean up during the week, mess around with it. I just so happened I had to leave work early today, but yeah, so yeah, got that off, and yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna post this little short video, and then you know, hopefully I'll have one next Monday or Tuesday to post for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, yell at me, tell me I'm an idiot doing stuff wrong. You know, whatever you feel like it. You guys want to be a sponsor? That'd be cool. I'm probably going to pick up some metal tubing probably next week after Christmas for the doors and all the framing on the inside of the car. I think I found a guy on the old Marketplace of Doom that has a bunch of it for cheap. So I'm going to shoot over there hopefully next week and grab some of that. So right on. Cool. Thanks, guys. See you later.